Hi, it's Lisa with Nature's Gems CBD, talking about using our new magnesium oil that's now packaged into little pumps like this, along with our balm. And the reason I did the magnesium oil in a little pump is because magnesium oil is really water-based, and our balms are oil-based. So what I want you to do is you're going to take a little bit of that balm and you're going to put just a little bit on your fingers. Now, if you're using a roll-on balm, I want you to use the roll-on balm on the area that you're targeting. Then I want you to take a little bit and I want you to put it on your fingertips. And then I want you to, we're gonna smear it around a little bit. I'm gonna add 1 pump of the magnesium oil, and I'm going to liquefy it just that much more. And the reason I do that is because magnesium oil can be a little burny or itchy if you apply it directly to the skin. So I'm going to apply it to the area that's a little sore today. My neck's a little tight. So the other part about magnesium oil that I really like is if you get a foot cramp, if you get, like I get Charlie horses at night, magnesium oil will also help with cramping. Sometimes I'll get a muscle spasm in my back too, depending on what I've done for the day. So just some other bonus points of using our products and getting the more out of them. So again, 1 pump of the magnesium oil, little scoop of the balm, a little bit goes a long way, a little bit just even that much littler goes even that much farther by using the magnesium oil. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me at Lisa at naturesgemcbd.com.